Hey guys, this is how you print text sheets out of EMS if you ever need to. Start by opening up EMS. The password and username are the same as advancing, pstech. Once you're in there, you go to the reservations tab, select other, and then confirmations. Make sure that the setup menu says program services text sheets, and then you can pick your date. We're due tonight's, and make sure you hit print preview. When you run this data, it picks all the sheets for that day, and if you only need one, there's no point in printing them all. Plus, anything that uses our equipment comes up, so these admissions office things come up even though none of our techs actually work the events. So just use this little green arrow here to select the pages, and you can pick a text sheet. We're just pretend that Ashley and Colton lost one, and then all you have to do is hit print, and you can select a page or select page 4 and hit print. Otherwise, that's all you have to do if you want to print text sheets.